Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Geography. Today in this video I will discuss about the concept of frontier and boundary and also the basic difference between them. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more update. Let's go. The first concept is frontier. The English word frontier means that which is in front. The term frontier derived from the Latin word fronts and more directly from the French word front, which means forehead of man and also anything, say state. Means the term frontier comes from Latin word fronts and French word front, which means forehead. In political geography, frontier is forehead of political area which lay ahead of the hinterland. Means political geography denote frontier is forehead of political area means state or country, and it is located in front of the hinterland. It is designated an area which was part of a whole. Whole means entire political area. So it is the some portion, basically the outer portion of the entire political area or state. Frontier represent a zone of varying width situated on the periphery of a state and most often depopulated because of unfavorable physical condition. Means frontier indicates a zone of different width and it is located on the periphery of the state means outer portion of the state, and most often it is depopulated because of its unfavorable physical conditions. Means its unfavorable physical condition cannot support the human settlement, so here human settlements are absent. According to Christoph in 1959, a frontier is more properly a region or zone having width as well as length. Boundary. In simple word, boundary is a line making the limits of an area. But in political geography, boundary is the extreme territorial limits of any political area. Means boundary indicates the ultimate limits of state or country where one state ends and other state begins. So boundary separate one state from the other and it is defined and demarcated by the man. Next, basic difference between frontier and boundary. Number 1. Frontier is zonal, boundary is linear. As the frontier has width and length, so it is zonal, and boundary have only the length, so it is linear. As frontier is the part of the earth's surface, so it is natural. On the other hand, boundary is artificial because it is defined and demarcated by the man. Thus, frontier is geographical features. On the other hand, boundary is political features. Frontier is outer oriented, on the other hand, boundary is inner oriented. Frontier is outer oriented because the life and interest of frontier men differ from those of the core area of the state, while the boundary is inner oriented because it is created and maintained by the state. Therefore, frontier represents the centrifugal force, on the other hand, boundary represents the centripetal force. Frontier is integrating factor because frontier is responsible to the integrated with the state. On the other hand, boundary do not permit the free movement of people and it is also an obstacle in the way of integration of the people, so it is separating factors. Frontier is immovable, on the other hand, boundary is movable. Because the characteristics and function of frontier if altered, then frontier do not change their position, so it is immovable. But boundary can move. For example, the German-Polish boundary, which was shifted westward to conform to the Oder-Neisse line after the Second World War. It is an excellent example of the change in the position of the boundary.